Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new fonts on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and to import fonts, it's very easy. So we just need to go into our browser and download the font that we want, or the font that we want to import into Adobe Premiere Pro. And let's say we want this one right here, Marysville. I'm just gonna download this real quick, just like that. And basically, the fonts that you will be downloading has this file right here. When you open it, it would have this right here. This file, I think it is a TTF file. When you double click on it right here, this TTF file right there, and you would see this install button right there, and you want to click on install, and then it's gonna install right now. And then when you go into Premiere Pro, and let's put a text right here, and go here, let's go text, just like that, and let's change the font here, and we'll go for Marysville. And as you can see, we already have it right here, Marysville demo, and we can now change it right there. So as you can see, it's just as easy as that on how you can import your new font right here. But if it doesn't appear to you right away, then you can try restarting your Premiere Pro, closing it and opening it again. But when you download a font, it would probably have this installation file right here so that you can install it easily. So that is basically how you can add some fonts here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.